Welcome to Lily's Magical English Adventure. Today, we join Lily, a bright and curious girl, on her journey to learn English. Ready to dive in? Let's go!
Hi friends, my name is Lily, and today we're going on a magical adventure to learn English. Are you ready? Let's open the book and see where it takes us. Wow, this place is amazing. Oh, look, here comes Mr. Owl. He knows everything about English.
Hello, Lily. Hello, friends. I'm Mr. Owl, and I'm here to help you on your English adventure. Today, we'll learn about greetings and introductions. Ready to start?
Yes, Mr. Owl, what's first?
First, let's learn how to say hello and goodbye. When you meet someone, you say hello. Can you try it, Lily?
Hello.
Great job. Now, when you leave, you say goodbye. Can you try that too?
Goodbye.
Perfect. Now, let's meet some of our forest friends and practice.
Hello, Lily. I'm Bunny. What's your name?
Hello, Bunny. My name is Lily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Lily. Oh, I have to hop away now. Goodbye, Lily.
Goodbye, Bunny.
Hello, Lily. I'm Fox. How are you today?
Hello, Fox. I'm great. Thank you. How are you?
I'm fantastic, thank you. I need to go back to my den now. Goodbye, Lily.
Goodbye, Fox.
Well done, Lily. You did a wonderful job with greetings and introductions. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep saying hello and goodbye to everyone you meet.
Thank you, Mr. Owl. This was so much fun. I can't wait for our next adventure.
Neither can I, Lily. Until next time, goodbye, friends.
Recap and daily use explanation. Welcome back, friends. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned today with Lily and Mr. Owl and see how we can use these new English skills in our daily lives. Today, we learned how to greet someone and say goodbye. Remember, when you meet someone, you say hello. Let's practice it again together.
Hello.
Great job! And when it's time to leave, you say goodbye. Let's try that one more time.
Goodbye.
Perfect! Now, let's see how you can use these words in your daily life. At the playground, when you meet new friends, you can say hello.
Hello, everyone. My name is Lily. Can I play with you?
At school, when you meet your teacher or classmates, greet them with a friendly hello.
Hello, Mrs. Smith. Hello, classmates.
When your friend leaves your house after playing, you can say goodbye.
Goodbye, Emma. Thanks for coming over.
See how easy and fun it is to use your new English skills in everyday life. Remember, practicing with friends and family will help you become more confident.
That's right, Lily. Keep practicing your greetings and goodbyes, and soon it'll feel natural.
Thank you, Mr. Owl. I can't wait to learn more. And thank you, friends, for joining me on this adventure. See you next time.
Thank you for joining Lily on her magical English adventure. Keep practicing your greetings and introductions and stay tuned for more fun lessons with Lily and Mr. Owl. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Goodbye. See you in the next video, and happy learning!